Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how in Illustrator how you can check the document size. So for example, I have imported PDF here, and as soon as you place the PDF by going to File and Place, as soon as you've placed the PDF, you'll up in the top right hand corner here, you'll have the width and the height. So that's the size. The same thing here, I've imported an SVG file, and the same thing here, as soon as you place it, you will get the dimension, so 700 by 800. And let's say you want to know your artboard, how big that is, then you just press the artboard tool here, and then you can click on artboard 1, for example, and then you get here, it's 1000 by 1000 pixels. So yeah, that's how you check your document size. Have a good day, everyone.